Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 98 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. After the passing of the bill, as we are aware, under Article 81 of the Constitution, the membership has to bear a certain proportion to the figures of population of the last census. It was, however, found as, for instance, in the case of Andhra Pradesh, though there is a general increase in the population as a whole, there was a decrease in the population of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes. This was so glaring that it was brought to the notice of the authorities concerned, and the census authorities there, from whatever information they had, corrected these figures, because in respect of these they had certain slips or certain other papers giving the information from which they could get the correct figures. That could be corrected because the final delimitation orders were not passed at that time. So, in respect of Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat, where the final order was not passed, the census authorities corrected these figures, and the Delimitation Commission took that into account, and they did their work. But it was found in respect of certain other states also that such corrections were made, but the delimitation orders were not passed. Therefore, we first intended to bring forward or introduce a bill in the Lok Sabha only in respect of those states where the Delimitation Commission had not passed its final orders, with the provision that if the census authorities were to make a change in respect of the figures of population of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, then they could, in their final orders, take these figures into consideration and delimit the constituencies on that basis. However, when the bill was introduced, it was brought to the notice of the government that in many of the states final orders had been actually passed by the delimitation authorities, and it was therefore necessary, in order that there should be uniformity in the principles followed in respect of this matter, that there should be some provision brought, in spite of the fact that final orders are passed by the Delimitation Commission, that could be reopened, but only for this limited purpose, wherever the census authorities had to correct these figures and place it on a proper basis. The delimitation authority should, in that case, reopen that matter and determine the matter on the basis provided by the census authorities. Therefore, the scope of the bill to that extent was widened. The bill which is now before the House is in this form. So far as the delimitation of constituencies is concerned, whether it is Andhra Pradesh or Gujarat, or whether in respect of other states, the Delimitation Commission will be authorized to reopen these matters if the census authorities had to change the figures of population. Therefore, the bill before the House is a very simple one to that extent. It only enables the Delimitation Commission to take into account the corrections which may be made by the census authorities. It is primarily the census authorities who are to do it now.